Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. Looking out the window, May 1st. A lot of rain out there, but at least it's not snow. So hopefully we'll get some May weather before too long. So here we are. We've wrapped up the fifth marking period. Definitely a challenge for all of us. Teaching and learning remotely is had its challenges for sure. Many of you have rised up to these challenges very successfully, and to that I congratulate you. Nice job. Keep a good thing going. Some of you need to make some changes. Um, and I think if you think you're one of those people, you probably are. So probably a good idea to jump on School Tools, see where you are. So the fifth period has come and gone. The sixth marking period is in front of us. We may even be together. The 15th of May is what Governor Cuomo has indicated he wants to kind of decide where we're going to be in terms of opening things up, and if that includes schools or not quite sure, but that's my hope. But until then, we have to proceed along the same kind of ways we are now. So one of the things that I want people to realize here is that we got an opportunity to pass the course and without a Regents exam. That's huge. So it's the kind of thing, if you stay up to pace with the work, you submit work and you do it completely, and you're likely to pass, at least pass the assignment, if not get some higher grades. Of course, everybody wants that. And I've routinely awarded grades to students that have earned 90s and above, assignment after assignment, class after class. So it's not all that difficult of a challenge to at least do the work and get it complete and emerge from the sixth marking period with a passing grade and no Regents. So it's kind of like a one of the biggest hurdles to passing the course is now off the table in terms of the Regents. So that's something to keep in mind. Um, I can work with grades that, as long as there's something there. If you give me something, I can do something with that. I can't do anything with nothing. So if you're one of those people that's got to make some changes for the sixth marking period, please do so. Realize the opportunity in front of you to strive to thrive in this course without the need for a Regents exam. So use that to your benefit and earn the credit and move on to be a senior. So in terms of how things have been going in assembling PowerPoints and YouTubes, I really wish I was there. I wish we were in front of each other, because you know how I always like to leave the blank spaces in the PowerPoints and have people chime in with what the definition is, and prompt discussion at certain PowerPoints. And then, of course, YouTubes, those are great. I work hard at finding ones that I think really drive the point home. And I'm constantly stopping the YouTubes and saying, okay, well, let's work with this concept and let's think about what this guy just said, or let's read the body language of this person. I can't do that in teaching remotely. So that is something that I truly miss. I miss the opportunity to engage with you face to face. And again, I'm hoping that it's not too long before we can do that. Going forward, though, we're going to proceed in this fashion. I think it's measured in terms of Mondays, Tuesdays, and Fridays, and keeping you honest, but not overwhelming you. That's certainly the situation I want to avoid. If there's anything that's causing you some concern or anything like that, please reach out to me privately via email, and we can discuss those challenges and opportunities to get over them. But I just wanted to reach out to you on the 1st of May, and let you know that it's something where we're in a position of reflecting on the fifth marking period and looking at the sixth marking period as, again, an opportunity to wrap things up for the year. Not under the best circumstances, that's for sure, but wrap things up for the year and move on to your senior year. And that's an exciting prospect. So that's all I've got for today. I'm not going to assign anything or have you view anything. I'm going to focus on grading. I've got some new grading criteria that the district has put out there that I need to familiarize myself with. So I'm going to sign off until Monday. Meanwhile, I'm hoping you can enjoy the weekend. I think we're looking at 60s both days and some sunshine. So it's about time. I'm tired of looking at this snow. I'm tired of riding in the snow. A couple of times I got caught last week, especially last Sunday. It was awful. I was out in Worcester. It started snowing on me, so I'm riding home, and I'm thinking, "Are you kidding me?" The last weekend in April, but anyways, stay safe and enjoy the weekend. Let's go forward in the sixth marking period. Wrap things up for the year. Move on to your senior year, and we'll leave it at that. Okay, everybody, take good care. We'll see you.